Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the exact iPad model and making a full backup. This protects your data if anything goes wrong. Once done, plug into power and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, then free up at least a few gigabytes of storage. Make sure your Apple ID is available and you know the password. These steps let you safely proceed to the only supported path for an Air 2. Install the latest Apple firmware. It accepts and prepare for alternate feature options. Begin the actual update. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and download the newest version Apple still signs for the Air 2. This will be iPad OS 15. X for that model. If the OTA route stalls, connect the iPad to a Mac or PC, open Finder or iTunes, select the device, and choose Update. This often succeeds when over-the-air fails. Once the firmware installs, restore your backup if needed and verify basic functions. You're now on the latest supported, stable OS for the Air 2. Because iPad Air 2 cannot run iPad OS 16 natively, the final step is to emulate key features. Install widget apps, multitasking utilities, and shortcuts collections that recreate Stage Manager-like layouts. Once configured, sign into your accounts and reapply settings you want. If the update or restore fails, force restart the iPad first. If that doesn't help, use DFU mode and restore via Finder or iTunes. This resolves most update errors. If data is
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.